So see, there is a one famous interview question is there here. And that question will not only help you in JavaScript, even it is widely used in the React also. So what is that question? What is the difference? What is the difference between var, let and constant? This is what I want to explain. So many people, they don't know about this var, let and constant. Assume that if I want to declare a variable, we are declaring a variable like this. And here we are using what keyword? Var we are using. But please understand, don't think that var is only compulsory for us. Instead of var, I can use let also. Even we can understand, we can use constant also we can use. So tell me in how many ways we can declare the variable? 3 ways are there here. So definitely when you are going for an interview, they will ask you this question. So what's the difference between var, let, constant? When to use var, when to use let, when to use constant? So let me write one side var here. One side I want to take let. And last I want to go for what? Constant. So when it comes to var, it is a functional scope. But here it is a block scope. It is a block scope. Understood my point? The first difference is what here? Var is what here? Functional scope. In function, you can access anywhere. But let and constant is a block scope. Where you declare in open close bracket, there only you can access. Outside is not possible. Understood my point here? That is the first difference. Second difference is we can access, or I can say we can access, or I can say we can declare without initialization. We can declare without initialization. Here also we can declare without initialization. We can't declare without initialization. We can't declare without initialization. So let me give you one more example to you. So let me go to the Sublime. So this is my Sublime. So definitely I will write the script here. In the script, what I want to mention, the first thing I want to go for what here? Var I. And then we can say document dot write ln. What I'm writing? I. So tell me, we can declare without initialization. Are you initializing any value? No. So what is the output will come? You know very well in the JavaScript, for example, for any variable, if you are not giving any value, what is the value will come? Undefined. Open in a browser. Understood my point here? No? Yes, we can declare without initialization. So let me say, this is example is for initialization. Initialization. So here I'm giving example one, this one. I'm going for what here? Example 2. Even we can go for, let me write the output. Output is coming what? Undefined. Let me go to the second output. Second means here I want to make it what here? Let. Let also same. Declaration is possible without initialization. Refresh. Here also default value, what is coming? Undefined. Example 3. So now I want to go for what here? Constant. Tell me, can we declare without initialization? No. See this? Refresh. Go to F12 and you can see missing is equal to in constant declare. So it is proof that whatever the points I told you, it is proof that constant we cannot declare without initialization. So don't ask me tomorrow, when to use where, let and constant. So if you don't need any initialization in the beginning, you can go for where, otherwise you can go for what? Let. You have that choice. Okay, sir, we got an idea. The first difference, sorry, second difference we covered. Next is what here? Next is what here? Here I want to give you, we can update. We can update. We can update. We can't update. So remember that point. We can update where? Let also we can update. But what we cannot do? Constant we can't update, sir. Sir, I didn't understand. Update means what? So let me go to the separate example on what here? Update. So let me go to the example 1. Update means assume that I am declaring variable I is equal to 10. I is equal to 20. This is known as what here? Update. Earlier I value is how much? 10. Now 20. So what's the output will come? 20 only, na? Very good. Nice. So it is updated. Updated. Yes, we can do this. And similarly, example 2. For let also what I said, possible or not? Yes, possible. Refresh. What the output is coming again? 20. No doubt. And now we will go to the what here? Example 3. But constant means not possible, right? Constant means fix. You cannot do the change. Refresh. Go to what? F12. And what you find? There is an error is coming. Error coming or not? Yes. So it cannot be updated. So that is also proof. It can be updated. Let me say it can be updated. It can be updated. It cannot be updated. Yes. It can, or I can say, it can be redeclared. It cannot redeclared. It cannot redeclare. Cannot be redeclared. So this is also very important. So now we need to focus on what here? Redeclared. So redeclare means I don't know, sir. Can you explain? Yes. Example 1. Redeclare means you can see here. Here I am declaring variable I is equal to 10. Variable I is equal to 20. So same variable, how many times I declare? 2 times. Redeclare. I'm not updating. I'm not changing the value. I'm redeclaring. Again, we are using where keyword. And then I'm telling document.write ln I. What's the output? 20 will come. Very good. It's redeclared, sir. But tell me, let and constant can be redeclared? No. So what you are telling, you need to prove to the interviewer. So that's the reason I'm giving the code let. And now you can see this. Error will come. Go to F12. Redeclare of let I previous declared line 8. It's telling already you declare. Why are you declaring one more time? So not possible, sir. Error will come. Similarly, for what here? Constants also the same. Duplicates, it becomes duplicate here. Refresh, again go to F12. This time it is telling about what? Const. So tell me whatever the points I'm telling you, I'm proving or not proving? Yes. It's very, very important, sir. You need to understand. And all these interview programs, whatever we will discuss today, that only will comes in interview probably. Okay, sir. And one more last difference is there here. Let me say the difference also. It can be accessible without declaration, and the default value is undefined. Here also same. It can be accessible without declaration and default value is undefined. Yep. But comes here, it can't be accessible without declaration. Sir, I didn't understand. So let's go to the accessible. I want to give the examples on accessible. Accessible. Accessible means I will give you the first one. Here I am taking variable I. Document.writeln I. And then I can say I is equal to 10. So tell me, first I declare. Did I store any value? We can access without declaration. Otherwise, you do one thing, display. Then write variable I. So tell me what's the default value is there here? Undefined. So tell me, did I declare in the beginning first? So beginning first, what I'm printing? I. Directly printing first. So we are accessing without declaration. So default value will come undefined. Yes, undefined coming. That is example 1. Same thing is applicable for what? Let also. See this let I am taking last. And here also see this refresh. What happened? F12. Can't access I before what here? Sorry guys. This is all about declaration, right? Declaration you can do like this. Declaration I am doing last or not? First what I am telling? See this. Refresh. Again we are getting what? Can't access lexical declaration I. I think we cannot access. 1 second guys. What is the point I told? No. 1 second. 1 second. Yes, Satya, you have any doubt? It can be accessible.
No, sir.
And the default value is what here? Undefined. 1 second, guys. 1 second. I'm giving let. Anything is coming? What about constant? Constant is also same only. I think I need to change the what here. Okay. So see here, one thing is there here. Tell me if I am removing this one. When I'm doing this one, say constant and let both are coming what here? Same it is, same here. What is telling? Missing the what here? Declaration. Okay, this is very, very, very important. So that we need to understand. So we are getting the what here? Idea. Okay, guys. So you can see here, when it is comes to what here? Here, let me do some changes here. So what I told, it can be accessible what here with declaration. See here, whenever I'm going for what here. So here I'm taking directly what here, document I, variable I is equal, sorry, letter I, then I'm telling document dot write ln I. So refresh. So tell me what is coming? Cannot access what here? Lexical. Why? Because this is nothing but, which is scope is nothing but block scope. So now I want to show you that only what is the purpose of block scope. Block scope means what here? From where we are declaring, from there. So tell me what I can say. It cannot not be accessible without declaration. Same thing is applicable for what? So see here, but whenever I'm taking where, so see this where, sorry, where. So now you can see here what is coming. First one undefined, then second one is coming what? 10. But if I take letter, let is telling what here? This one error is coming. Cannot access what here? Lexical declaration. So that I want to tell you. So I hope you people understood all the examples, whatever I gave it to you for what here? Where, let and constant. Understood my point? This is one of the favorite interview question, guys. And for every person, they will ask this question. They will ask this question.